triangle, then we would call it an intermediate term correction, especially if it is showing on one. So we would want to project how far that correction is going to go. We're looking at the 1 hour chart. We are saying, of course, splatter momentum, which means you are in a triangle. So sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. You have here an up cycle, right? Then you have another down cycle, negative momentum. Then sometimes you have an up cycle and positive momentum. Then you can get negative momentum, then positive momentum, and negative momentum. We know the structure indicates we're in a triangle. We cannot go anywhere unless there's breakout. There's very strong momentum, and we'll break out of the triangle. The breakout can be either way. Yes, we understand. But we are in a triangle in a bearish market. It should break lower. So unless there is a change in fundamentals. So we were just looking at that 1 hour chart to try and figure out or indicate if this is an intermediate term correction. How far will it go? From the current momentum plot, you can tell it is not an intermediate term correction. It is, of course, an intermediate or longer intermediate term correction, but it will not go anywhere because there is no momentum to take it anywhere. At least on the upside, there really is no momentum to take it. It is just a triangular momentum. You're inside a triangle. We just have to be patient in order to absorb the duration of the correction. That's really all what's behind it. On the 30-minute charts, we really get the same. It is the same triangular momentum. The cycles, of course, are much more bigger or prolonged, but it is still, of course, a splatter momentum. It's called splatter momentum, sometimes up, sometimes down, and just sine cycles that are indicating a triangular structure. So it's really the 15 minutes that we're trading that we would be interested in, and we are looking for a break to the downside. So I would presume that we're already short. Our personal take on it is to hold the shorts. If you're not already short in the market, we could expect we're going to have continuation of these bounces inside of that triangle. We have been respecting that internal level 1. So again, the best entry short is going to be 30,000, 30,100. We would have a hedge at 32,500. We're looking for the same targets that we're looking at since yesterday. First immediate target is really going to be 23,000. We did show that on the daily chart, and even I believe it was running at 22,600 and maybe 20,600. We'll check it again. This can go all the way down to 18,000 and 16,000. So we would go for the best. Such a lengthy consolidation would mean that the breakout is going to be very strong. In the case, we are prepared for a strong bullish breakout. We know how to react. We are prepared for a bearish breakout by leaving EP orders or take profit orders at the levels that have already been shown on the analysis for the daily chart. 20,600 or 21,000. If you are a bit conservative, it's going to be 23,000. They're just under 38.2. Even if we're believing there's a basing formation, we're going to 23,500 and 23,000. Probably 161.8. This is a very strong flag, so it's going to be 20,600, possibly 16,200 and 18,000.